2013 Toyota Corolla with 63,000 miles. Power windows, don't throw that firecracker at me. Power windows and locks. Oh, jeez.
Hi, this is Dave from Trust Auto, and this week's featured spotlight is our 2013 Toyota Corolla. This is a one-owner car, like most of the cars that we have here on the lot. It's, oh yeah.
Hey guys, let me tell you about this 2013 Toyota Corolla. Four-door sedan.
It's got 63,000 miles on it. This is much harder than it looks like.
Automatic, AC.
Uh-oh. It comes with our 3-month warranty. It is one of our certified vehicles. It's $11,700, which is a great price.
It's got it runs cold. It's a 3-month, 3,000 mile powertrain warranty that covers the AC, engine, transmission, drive axle, water pump. And that's all I have to say about it, because I'm not having fireworks thrown at me. We'll catch you later.
And we'd love to have you come down here. It's 2123 US Highway 411 South in Maryville, and our phone number is 865-980-8200. Check us out online at mytrustauto.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
I just had a brilliant idea. Watch this. Hey Dave.
What?
I got a great idea.
Can it wait?
No, man, I can tell you. We need to do a video of firecrackers.
What?
Dude, listen, we'll do firecrackers in the video. I'm telling you, it's gonna be awesome.
We're gonna blow something up?
Oh, no, we'll just throw them at each other while we're recording the video.
Somebody's gonna get hurt, bro.
Yeah.
What if it rolls over the car?
I didn't think of that.